The Philmac OptiPHIL float valve is a compact, high-performance float valve suited to a wide range of medium to large troughs and tanks with high-demand applications. For easy installation, Philmac recommends a pair of multi-grips, thread tape and a Phillips head screwdriver. The Philmac OptiPHIL float valve comes pre-assembled with a standard 1-inch BSP tapered male thread. To cover other common inlet sizes and underwater installations, OptiPHIL is supplied with 3/4 and 1-inch thread adapters and an underwater kit which consists of a float cord and anti-tangle tubing. OptiPHIL also includes a 4-inch high-vis float. For above water applications, installation is quick and easy. Apply a generous amount of thread tape in a clockwise direction, then fit the valve to the inlet using the body, turning clockwise until it is hand tight. To ensure the valve finishes in the vertical position, you may need to use a wrench or multi-grips on the body for final tightening. You are then ready to turn on the water supply. The water level in the trough can easily be adjusted by loosening the stainless steel screw on the side of the float and repositioning the float using one of the preset float positions, then retightening. Philmac's OptiPHIL float valve is a full flow float valve delivering up to 847 litres per minute of water. Its smooth flow design optimises water flow out of the valve, reducing turbulence, minimising float bounce, cutting water spray, and coupled with its patent protected soft close design, prevents water hammer and pump short cycling, saving your pump and energy. The valve is also designed with a patented OptiFlow technology which optimises water flow through the valve to help prevent blockages and improve performance in dirty water.